Hey guys, it's Running Kimono. So Christmas came early at my house. A really great Amazon seller, Hapa, sent me this really cool Habor Air Fryer, OMG. And for you guys, because they love couponers, they're offering a 21% off coupon code OMG. Yes, use this code at checkout and you'll get 21% off. So for the purposes of this video, we are reviewing the 5.8 quart air fryer by Habor, and it is absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much, Hapa, for sending this to me for review, and we are absolutely in love with this product. As you can see, there's 7 different types of presets and types of things that you can cook in this thing. Everything from fancy shrimp, ribs, chips, fish, steak, chicken, cakes. We even made grilled cheese sandwiches on Sunday in this thing, and you can do anything with it. So a quick little unboxing here of the Habor Air Fryer. My husband's helping me out for the purpose of this video. We had some Christmas music playing, so unfortunately I have to do a voiceover, but it came in a massive box, and then they boxed it inside of this box, and I believe this was sent to me, I think on Tuesday or Wednesday, and it got here on Saturday. So even with the Christmas shipping, man, they are on top of their shipping. As you can see, it's very carefully packaged with a lot of love, and this mama is quite large. Now, if you are looking for an air fryer, I would say go for the biggest one, and this is why, because you can actually fry an entire chicken in here. And you know, once you start doing stuff, especially if you have a larger family or if you just like to eat or like to have leftovers, it is just the way to go to have the biggest fry basket. And as you can see, it's just very sleek looking. Now, they packaged everything really well, so nothing would get loose in the mail or anything like that. And very, very impressed. So my husband and I disassembled it all. We washed the frying basket and the vessel. You have to do that in the sink. You can't throw the stuff in the dishwasher. And we have to preheat it as well. Before you cook anything, you have to run it through this preheat cycle. Super easy to do. So as you can see here, my husband's opening up the basket, a little hot to the touch. He's throwing in his chicken. And now we have all these different menus with the different types of, like, you know, is it chicken? Is it this? Is it that? Plus the heat. Very easy with that little spin button, and then you just press it in. Very user intuitive. We weren't really sure what we were doing, but man, they make it so easy to make anything in this Habor air fryer, and it was just really easy to do. And he did the settings, and in seconds it smelled like you could already smell it cooking, and it smelled delicious. This little girl wanted some too. So let's eavesdrop on our cooking.
Smells really good.
What's my action?
Push it back in. Whoa, it's like sizzling and stuff. Is it hot, honey?
Wow. Let's check
Are
one of
they
the bigger ones. Okay. Let's see what we got here.
It's very crusty, eh?
Oh yeah, that's cooked all
It's cooked?
over. Yeah.
And that was what, like 10 minutes?
Yeah.
What's on the bottom?
Just
Debris?
crumbles.
You can see here, guys, the cleanup is very, very minimal. Like if you're air frying more stuff, you'd obviously have to clean this up. That is very, very easy cleanup. Just a damp paper towel will clean all that. And here is the final product, and these didn't stand a chance. We ate them all right away. Very delicious. We did air fry a couple other goodies, so my husband's just using a damp paper towel, and look how easy that cleanup is. Very, very easy.
Well, not yet. Looks great. Very sizzly.
Try them.
Yep.
Okay, so this is the bottom of the vessel. We made cheese sticks. We made 2 different types of wings, and look at the cleanup, guys. Very little grease, and this air fryer is just magic. Just to show you the plate of food that I had on Saturday night, here it is. I mean, this looks like pub style food, fraction of the cost, making this in my house. This air fryer is fantastic for the holidays. Even if you're having a big Super Bowl party in January, get one. Merry Christmas to you. Fantastic. And the next morning, my husband was like, he wanted to use it again. He's like, oh my gosh. And so he decided to make some hash browns for breakfast, and I'll just show you exactly how easy it was.
What do you think, in like 10 minutes and then we'll turn it around?
Oh, that's what we're gonna try.
Those look really crispy and soft. Those look good. So how long do we do it for, honey? Like 12 minutes?
Yeah, roughly. Something like that.
Look really nice.
No, you know what? More like 14.
Okay. Hey, this is probably cheaper than heating up an oven to do it this way.
Faster.
Faster too.
Oven would be...
Oven is $3.75 for
like-
45 minutes
yeah.
to an hour. Wow. This is like space stuff.
Okay guys, so here's my breakfast, and oh my gosh, it was really delicious. Look at those potatoes. They are not greasy. They are, fried to perfection, and it was really, really delicious. And it's not a deep fryer. It is an air fryer, and there's some magic to it. Less fat, less grease, and just a lot of flavor. They provide this really cool recipe book as well, and instructions. And if you are interested in getting one, the product links are in the notes. And don't forget to use this coupon code to get 21% off, which is really fantastic. Special, again, thank you to Hapa for sending this to me for review. I absolutely love it, and we'll be getting a lot of use out of it this holiday season. And guys, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video.